There is a plague sweeping our land, and that plague is information overload. I believe that access to too much information that's not structured can be counterproductive. It actually makes you less productive having access to too much knowledge.
Absolutely. We've got all this technology that allows us to take photos everywhere. We have ideas and we're jotting them down on different notes. We have audio files. We have movies. Like, where do we store all of this?
Where do we store all the information? And exactly. So we've got a website that I want to share with you, but where did I store it? Is it one of my bookmarks? Is it in my email? Did somebody text it to me? Pulling all these different various bits and snippets of knowledge together is what Evernote is all about. Evernote is a kind of an ecosystem that runs on all of your different devices. It runs on your Android, iPhone, BlackBerry. It runs on your tablets. It also runs on your notebook or your desktop PC. What happens is you create basically a notebook that you can stuff every little bit of information that you want to into in different categories. You can have websites and web clippings where you are on your web browser and you clip this site or that site. And then what you do is you tag each and every snippet of information with some keywords so that you can search for it later.
Because all this information is stored in the cloud as well, you remember that no matter which device you're logging into, you're always seeing the same information. So if you've just been on your phone and you've uploaded a picture, when you open your PC, you're going to see that same picture located in the file and tagged with the keywords that you've tagged it for.
Exactly. So the information that you expect to find is at your fingertips when you expect to find it. So how you end up using Evernote is if you're browsing the web and you find a website that you like, you tag it, you clip it, and it's in a notebook and you store it in a personal folder, a business folder, or a project folder. When you're out and about, I use the camera a lot in my phone with Evernote. So I take pictures. If I'm at a dinner, a business dinner, and I have a receipt, an expense, I'll take a picture of the receipt, I'll tag it with the people who and the date. Then when I'm doing my expense report, I can pull up the image of the receipt, I can file it, I can submit it to my accountant, I don't have to scan in the image again. Similarly, if I'm at the same meal and we have a great bottle of wine, I'll take a picture of the bottle of wine and I'll store it in a personal folder with good wines that I want to remember. I'm at the liquor store, I say, what was that wine? Call up the label and you can see the label of the wine so you can purchase that wine. As I say, it's kind of an ecosystem that fits in all areas of your life and you have access to the data at any time you need. It's just a structural tool that makes us more efficient, makes us smarter.
And I remember when Evernote first came out, I actually didn't know what to do with it because it was this concept of storing my photos and my notes, like what was it? But it's funny, over the years, we've evolved so much in the way we think that we want all of this information in one place. We need it in one place, and I think the tagging is the key to being able to actually organize all of that.
The tagging and the syncing, the fact it lives in the cloud and that you can access it from any device. Those are the keys to Evernote. For me, it's a superstar. It's a page one app. It's one that I use every day.
It's a page one for me as well, but it goes beyond that. It is actually one of the 4 apps in my docking station.
In your dock on your
on my dock, on my docking station.
Well, if you haven't used Evernote, give it a shot.